In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add LUTs on your videos to enhance their appearances. So LUTs are some of the best pre-made effects that can be added to videos to enhance their appearance or to make them much brighter and colorful. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so to do this, go ahead and add your video on your timeline, and as you can see, I have mine here. However, this video is not much colorful, it tends to be dull. To improve this, I'll go ahead and add LUTs to the video. So go ahead and select all the video clips that you want to add LUTs, and then go ahead and right click on your video clips, and from this choose the option called Smart Edit Tool. So under this, choose the option called AI Color Palette, and this will take you to this window here for color. Under this, look for this option called LUTs and make sure it is turned on. Once it is turned on, now we have LUT presets for our editing. So currently you can see LUTs preset is set to none, and we like to go ahead and select among the list. And you can see here, if I hover over any, you can see the changes on the video, and now choose the one you feel is the best for you. So I'd like to go ahead and choose this and save it like that, and then okay. And now I'll finalize by clicking on generate to apply this, and then I'll save this, and look at that, that has been applied to my video. Now if I go ahead and play, you can see how the LUTs has made the video. So that's how you can add or apply LUTs on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.